All right, real quick. That's the shower floor repair. I just took the 2x2 inch tile up the wall a little bit because it's what they wanted. They didn't want 3 different tiles in here, but that's it. That's it. Shower floor repair. 1963 house. That's when I was born. That's it. So I've got another video on everything I did here. I ripped everything out, floor, scabbed on more floor joists. That's just some Home Depot tile. It's like less than $3 a square. But it's awesome. It looks good. Anyway, I'll show you the plumbing. Anyway, we'll see. All right. This pipe was cracked. See the gasket in there? I don't know if you can see it. It's a Schedule 40 PVC to cast iron gasket. It's a no hub. That's it there. And this is the shower. Me, I don't like repairing cast iron. I mean, I'll repair it, but I would much rather just rip it all out. Anyway, that's it. We'll see you.